My friends, guess what day it is? Guess what day it is? It's juice day. Got a lemon ginger blast here. Apples, lemons, jalapeno. Dude, this thing was so hot, gave me the hiccups the first couple sips. I had to add some fresh squeezed OJ in there, tone it down just a little bit. Got some kale, spinach, and cucumber all up in this. So I'll take a little drink. Oh, I added the OJ too. I added, this much OJ. Already drank a little bit. It's so good. So good I want to do this. Oh yeah. Shout out to Amanda Heisel. Thanks for this haircut.